What's up, guys? It's Clay at Mallard Motors. We got a new unit available on the lot. I'm going to show you some details up close and personal. Before I get off into that, don't forget about our $100 credit challenge. That's where we give you some cash, man. We'll give you $100 cash if we're unable to get your credit approved. Keep that in mind, and let's take a look at this 2017 model Nissan Altima SL. Nice, pretty silver color. It's got a 2.5 liter CVT 4-cylinder, so it should be pretty good on gas mileage. Still got crystal clear headlights on the front. Got some chrome trim on the grille there and some fog lights. Got blinkers on the side mirrors there. Got some chrome trim around the windows and chrome door handles. Got some really great tread left on the tires. And you got some good looking 17-inch premium alloy wheels. Got dual exhaust on the back there. Also have a backup camera. You got plenty of trunk space. It's keyless with the key fob, so that means it is push to start also. Got some good looking black leather seats in there, in good shape too. Air vents for the back seat, plenty of leg room. You also got some leather trim on the inside of the door panels. It's got a proximity sensor on the door handle, so as long as your key fob is with you, you can lock or unlock the vehicle from the outside with that button. You got power locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors. You got power seats in the front two seats, again with that really good looking black leather. No sunroof, unfortunately. If you look over here, you'll see you even got heated steering wheel. Nice to have in the wintertime. Like I mentioned, it is push to start. See, we got 132,000 miles on the dash. No check engine lights. Got cruise control on the steering wheel over here, and you've got some controls for the radio over there. No touch screen, but you do have a nice little color LCD screen. There's your backup camera. You do have a CD player, auxiliary hookup, and I'm pretty sure you've got Bluetooth hookup also, so you can listen to music from your phone. You got dual climate control for the front. I can't remember if I've already mentioned it, but you got heated seats in the front two seats. Oh, and you've got a Bose audio sound system, so your music gonna sound pretty good. It's a really sharp looking Altima. If you think you might be interested, I'd be happy to get you more information. Give me a call down here at 870-639-9200.